Let me show you Pharma in 2050. By then, disease is not the main story. Control is. Bodies and brains are updated like software. Therapy and enhancement blur. And the real question is no longer, can we cure this? It is, who decides what a healthy human is allowed to be? And who gets access? By 2050, biology is pure code. Drugs are not products, they are updates. And health is no longer an event, it is a continuous negotiation. Many people will live with their own AI-driven body operating system. Sensors track immune markers, hormones, sleep, mood. A regulated AI adjusts microdoses in real time, smart patches, implants, behavior nudges. Chronic disease becomes closed loop. Your therapy is updated minute by minute, and a human clinical reviews, sometimes overrides. But the system runs continuously. Pharma no longer sells pills, it sells therapeutic algorithm, subscriptions to higher levels of control. And here's the tension. When an algorithm decides what enters your bloodstream, who sets the goal? Fewer hospital visits, higher productivity, maximum well-being? Defined by whom? By mid-century, the most profitable part of pharma is not healing, it is upgrading, cognitive tuning, mood shaping, resilience boosters, genetic edits for strength or slower aging. The line between treatment and enhancement fades. If a therapy prevents decline at 70, why not use it at 25? If mood modulation reduces suicide, do employers encourage it? Does the state? Normal slowly shifts, not toward what humans really choose, but toward what is efficient to maintain. That is not just medicine, that is social engineering. By 2050, biology is powerful enough to be dangerous. AI-assisted synthetic biology makes new infections possible. Immune-evading variants, targeted biological tools. Pharma becomes part of a permanent defense system. Standing vaccine platforms, real-time immune surveillance, population-wide updates, like software patches for humanity. And here's the terrifying question. When an AI flags a possible engineered threat and proposes a global immune update, who presses the button? And what if it is wrong? By 2050, custom drugs become common. AI designs a molecule for a single patient. It is produced locally, approved through automated review systems. The idea of a blockbuster drug fades. Now the product is not the molecule, it is the platform that designs infinite molecules. This changes everything. Who owns the design? The patient, the AI, the company that trained the system? If therapy can be personalized infinitely, what does fairness look like? By 2050, access splits. Some live with their full body operating system support, continuous monitoring, real-time updates, enhancement packages. Others receive delayed access, basic precision medicine, older therapies. And some remain outside the system, used as a data source, given generic protocols. This divide may not follow borders. It may follow income, employment, citizenship, contribution. And pharma companies cannot pretend to be neutral. Pricing, access design, platform control. These shape whether we drift toward a biological class system or resist it. Most discovery is automated. AI designs molecules. Digital twins simulate outcomes. Manufacturing is modular. What remains is deciding limits. Where enhancement stops, what access rules look like. What data is allowed to shape decisions. Leadership becomes moral design. When your platform can extend health and function to 110 years, but only for those who qualify, are you running healthcare or defining a new hierarchy? When the system recommends mood tuning for stability, who decides if sadness still has value? Efficiency is easy. Defining human enough is harder. Your advantage will not be scientific brilliance alone. It will be restraint. To say, yes, we can, but should we? To defend space for imperfection, for aging, for emotional range, for consent. Pharma is no longer about curing disease. It is about shaping what it means to be human. It defines which states of body and mind are normal, which are optimized, which are corrected, which are allowed. You are not just drug makers, you are stewards of biological possibility. When bodies can be tuned in real time, when enhancement is more profitable than healing, when biology becomes an update cycle, who writes the rules? If your platform can make people stronger, calmer, smarter, longer lived, will you define health by productivity or by dignity, by stability or by freedom? Because by 2050, biology may be programmable, but humanity still is not. The question is not whether we can upgrade ourselves. The question is, who decides what we are allowed to become?